Hi. What's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're not new, then welcome back. Whatever classification you might be, does that make sense? Then welcome to today's video. We're painting my AirPods because why? Because that's the only thing that I could think of left to paint because let's see, I painted my Hydro Flask, I painted a Starbucks cup, I painted my graphing calculator, I've painted a phone charger, painted a phone case, so what's left? AirPods. Next I'm gonna be like painting the ceiling or something, even though I don't think my parents would like that at all. So instead of painting the ceiling, we're painting my AirPods. So let's get into the video. So let's get started. I'm gonna actually try to make this a tutorial this time. So you need paintbrushes, the paints for whatever design you choose to make, masking tape for my design, you might not need this, but I want to use it, and then scissors that also go with the masking tape. And then you also need like a artist palette thing too, which I don't have, so we're using a recycled piece of cardboard thing from popsicle sticks. So first I'm going to take a piece of masking tape and wrap it around this top part because I want to protect the inside of the AirPods from the paint. Now with that, the paint won't get in the inside of the part, and obviously you're not going to do this if you want to paint up here. So let's get painting. Honestly, your design can be anything you want it to be. A chicken, a cow, I don't know. Why am I only thinking of farm animals? Maybe flowers, maybe something that makes you happy, maybe something that makes you sad. But for mine, I'm going to do a sunset type thing, and then I'm gonna do like paint slime, so it's like a slime drip of the sunset, if that makes sense. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to use the masking tape to like kind of trace an outline for the slime drip thing. You'll just see what happens, honestly. So now I'm gonna cut this part out. Now that you've got this weird looking layer thing out, time to put it back on this thing. To make sure this is like real stuck on there so then you won't have any issues later. See, it looks like slime now, kind of, because I put a little bit of effort into it. So now it's time to mix colors to paint the sky. First color I'm going to start with is going to be a darkish purple. Now I'm going to transition to a lighter shade of purple to offset that color. Now obviously you don't just want lines, so I am going to try to blend this together. Next color, I'm going to fade into a little bit of a more red purple. I don't know what you would call that exactly, but we'll figure it out once it happens. Now that's blended together a little bit better, let's blend the next color, which is going to be more of a reddish orangey color for the sky, obviously. Let's get a little bit more orangey and a little bit more bright. Now let's go a little bit lighter orange. And finally we can do yellow. Whoops, that was way too much. And now the fun part, let's add the clouds. And see then too, if you mess up, you can just use the clouds and cover your mistakes. Boom, clouds are done. That actually doesn't look that bad, surprisingly so. I don't know how. Let's just add some final touches with a little bit of sparkles. Okay, so obviously that kind of worked out. I was a little bit surprised. I kind of thought I would either fail miserably or fail minorly. But it worked, so I'm glad. Here's what the final product looks like without like the masking tape on, because now that the stuff is dried, I can take the masking tape off, because if you take the masking tape off while the AirPods are still wet, then your paint is just gonna like get pulled off and that ain't gonna be good. So I hope you guys enjoyed this painting video. Anyway, thanks for watching. Thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, comment down an emoji of your choice down below, and I'll see you in my next video. Adios.